It's been a while since we heard from the World Health Organization. While vaccine success means we are closer to the end of the pandemic, the WHO cannot decide how the pandemic began. Under international pressure, the World Health Organization promised to probe the origins of the coronavirus months back. How far has that investigation gone? In one word, nowhere. The health body says it has finally got China's approval to send international experts to conduct a fair investigation. But will it really be a fair investigation? Far from it. Here's why.
November 23rd, Geneva. A hopeful WHO chief welcomed the news of the effective vaccine trials.
With the latest positive news from vaccine trials, the light at the end of this long, dark tunnel is growing brighter. There is now real hope that vaccines, in combination with other tried and tested public health measures, will help to end the pandemic.
The light at the end of the tunnel is indeed growing brighter. The vaccine might be the start to the end of this pandemic. But nearly a year after the virus started wreaking havoc across the world, the WHO is yet to provide any clarity on the origin of the pandemic. It is yet to clarify who should be held accountable for it. The answer is obvious. The writing is on the wall, but the health body has been dragging its feet for months. In July, a two-member WHO delegation traveled to China to investigate the origins of COVID-19. The only information the health body provided regarding the probe was this.
They've gone, they're in the air now, and they are the advanced party that's to work out the scope. And then later, when the nature of the mission, the scope, all those exact bits of information you want, when that's determined, you'll be informed.
In August, the delegation concluded the groundwork for the probe, and the WHO chief had this to say.
Epidemiological studies will begin in Wuhan to identify the potential source of infection of the early cases. Evidence and hypotheses generated through this work will lay the ground for further longer-term studies.
It's been nearly 3 months. 3 months of WHO experts flying in and out of China. And all that the health body has to offer are reassurances. In the latest reassurance, the WHO has said that it will soon be sending international experts to China. Their purpose will be to investigate the animal origins of the Wuhan virus. But observers say this visit will at best be yet another farce. Here's why. Most of the investigation will be carried out by Chinese scientists. The experts will be presented with the findings of the Chinese scientists, instead of being given direct access to medical records. They won't have access to raw data from the national reporting system or the contact tracing database. The information given to WHO team and experts will be the data already released by Beijing. To add to that, the Chinese regime will monitor the movement of the WHO delegation members throughout the course of this probe. The WHO investigation is clearly compromised. Its only intention seems to be to give China a clean chit. While the global Wuhan virus cases top the 59 million mark. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.